Plant-based foods are becoming more and more popular, and not just for vegetarians. Many people are trying to eat more meals made from plants because they are healthy, better for the environment, and still really tasty. But what exactly does plant-based mean? Let's learn 3 important facts about plant-based foods and why so many people are talking about them. Fact number 1. Plant-based doesn't mean only vegetables. When people hear plant-based, they usually think of just salads or veggies. But plant-based meals include fruits, grains, nuts, seeds, beans, and even plant-based versions of meat and milk. You can have burgers made from black beans, milk made from oats, and even ice cream made from almonds or coconuts. So, plant-based eating has a lot of variety, and it's not just about lettuce. Fact number 2. It's good for your health. Eating more plant-based foods can help your body in many ways. People who eat mostly plants often have lower cholesterol and blood pressure, a lower risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, more fiber in their diet, which helps with digestion. That doesn't mean you have to give up meat forever, but adding more plant-based meals can make a big difference in your health. Fact number 3. It helps the environment. Plant-based eating also helps the planet. Growing plants like beans, grains, and vegetables usually takes less water, land, and energy than raising animals. It also produces less pollution. So when you choose a plant-based meal, you're not only helping your body, you're also helping the earth. Final thoughts: plant-based food is more than just a trend. It's a smart, healthy, and tasty way to eat. Whether you go full plant-based or just try it once a week, it's a great choice for your body and the world around you. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.